Riri ni iria ria mutu riria riri maratathi-ini maya, ringi riri makatoni-ini na mikebe-ini riria rirahithukirio na kuigwo guku thito-ini cia KRAICD mwena wa Embakasi, undu uria urakinyaniirio kuhitukirwo nyitaniri wa maabitha a KRA, Kenya Dairy Board na maabitha DCI. Iria riri ria muigana wa ciringi mirioni 100 ria 50 ririkanite ritikinyaniirie ikiro na rirarehetwo na njira ya ngungo, kuona ritiragereirio mutaratara-ini wa guthurimwo na kuhitukio mbere ya ringirite guku bururi-ini. Akiaria thutha wa guthurima iria riri, Minister wa URIMI MITHIKA LINTURI augite riu thirikari yuritwo ni igoti ria muigana wa ciringi mirioni 52 iria IGIRAREHETWO iria riri.
Milk alone, we have a consignment worth 150 million shillings. The government is likely to lose 52 million shillings in terms of tax.
Linturi augite uthuthuria ni wambikitwo niguo gwethana na aria mararehete iria riri, akiuga gukinyeria riu kuri na amwe ao maikitio ngono na amwe makarekererio na bodi. Akiuga no nginyagia kihumo kia iria riri kienjerwo na uthuthuria warika ene iria riri ni magatacukirio ikinya ria kiwatho na iria riri rithukangio king'ang'a-ini.
Once that link is established on the source and who the players within the chain are, then the team will move with speed to ensure that all those people are put into the right place that they should belong. We will call upon the public to witness the destruction of these items.
Na kuona bara ya iria ikoretwo kuguku bururi-ini mahinda kwa mahinda, Linturi augite kuhithukio kwa iria riri ti bara thirikari yambikite na andu aria mari thuguri-ini na wonjori-ini wa iria, ende itanya inene ni kugitira murimi na thoko ya iria, na oho kugitira a Kenya kumana na indo ingikorwo iri ugwati ugima-ini wao wa mwiri.
The investigations are going on. Let us get to know. Let us be fair. Let the investigations be completed. We will get to know. But if anybody thinks that he is a target for whatever reason, then my office is also open. I'm open for discussions.
Linturi ongereire kuga ati thirikari ndikwirorera murimi wa iria kiuno moko, kuona thirikari ikoretwo ikiarira mitaratara ya gukiria urimi wa mithemba yothe, kuona niguo munyiginyigi wa utonga wa bururi. Akiuga aria marinyitikanaga makiruta biacara cia maigirira matirikinyithagio thi.
Why is it that Kenya there is that probability of people getting milk from Uganda, from Tanzania? I think time must also come when we must, as a region, be able to look our tax regime within the region.
Riu a Kenya ni moritio gukoragwo mari maitho hari biacara iria mundu arekuruhania nayo, na oho kwimenyerera kiria mundu arahuthira. Riri uthuthuria wambikitwo wigie aria othe marakuruhanitio hari kurehe iria ria mutu guku bururi-ini ritakinyaniirie ikiro na njira ya ngungo. Thirikari yugite no iguthie na mbere na kugitira thoko ya iria guku bururi-ini, ikiuga ti bara yambikite na aria mari thuguri-ini no. Ngirifuatira Kameme TV kuma kaunti-ini ya Nairobi, ni njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.